The SUCI on Thursday handed over a deputation and memorandum to the District Magistrate of West Tripura District on various demands, including the demand for improving the quality of health services in the COVID situation. On one hand, the COVID situation is worsening every day. On the other, prices of essential commodities are increasing alarmingly. The government is not taking any step to control the price of petrol, diesel and other daily necessities. As a result, common people, especially the poor and middle class, are facing extreme troubles. Under these circumstances, SUCI on Thursday handed over deputation and memorandum to the Chief Minister of the state through the District Magistrate West Tripura. Addressing on this issue, SUCI State Secretary Arun Bhomik said that the COVID situation is worsening in the state. Tests are not done adequately and also there is no proper treatment for those who are in home isolation. There are not enough doctors and healthcare workers in the hospitals of the state. He demanded immediate recruitment of the doctors, nurses and healthcare workers in view of the COVID situation. He further added that in the current COVID situation, the daily workers are not getting work. Starvation has become a daily companion in their families. He demanded a financial grant of rupees 7,500 per month for these poverty-ridden families in the state.
রাজ্যের বর্তমান অর্থনৈতিক সামাজিক পরিস্থিতির উপর 10 দফা দাবিতে রাজ্যের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর নিকট PM ত্রিপুরা ওয়েস্টের মারফতে আজকে এক স্মারকপত্র আমরা প্রদান করেছি। দাবিগুলির মধ্যে অন্যতম যে রাজ্যের আরোপিত ট্যাক্স পেট্রোল ডিজেল বেসিক করে যে আরোপিত ট্যাক্স তা কমিয়ে পেট্রোল ডিজেলের দাম কমাতে।
SUCI demanded the government to take necessary steps in reducing the price of fuel and act for the betterment of livelihood of the people amid this crisis situation. Bureau Report, Halabol.